Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can disable and enable the lock screen wallpaper change on OPPO A60. So there is this feature that changes the wallpaper every time we open the lock screen. So the first thing that we need to do is of course unlock our device, and we need to go to settings. In the settings you want to scroll down and go to home screen and lock screen. Then scroll down one more time to find lock screen magazine and then go there. Over here, you need to simply disable the lock screen magazine in order to get rid of the lock screen wallpaper change. So we can turn off, and then we should have the static the wallpaper in the lock screen, as you can see over here. If you want to enable this option, then of course you need to go to the same setting, and you need to tap on the lock screen magazine. And then you might also need to enable the carousel wallpaper, which could be over here below the lock screen magazine. If not, then you're still good to go. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.